A key aspect of deploying any AI helper or chatbot is the ability to track elements from the start of the conversation to the end. So let's take a look how this will be done with Google Analytics or other tracking codes. From within your AI helper, you need to go to Deploy. And then you need section 3. Enable user activity tracking. You'll notice here that it's optional. You may be a business that doesn't use Google Analytics or tracking and do it a different way. You may be a business that does it in a different way. But for most businesses, Google Analytics is the way ahead. And you have 3 fields that you must complete. First is web URL. Second is domain. And the third is your Google Analytics tracking ID. So for the web URL, we're putting in the Juji web URL. For the domain, we just need this section. And for the Google Analytics tracking ID, you'll need to look from within Google Analytics for the tracking ID that starts with UA, Uniform Alpha. Once you install these, they automatically save. There's no need to click the save button in the top right hand corner. If you plan on using custom codes for analytical tracking, you would place those here, and you've got 2 options. You can track user behavior before chat, or you can track user behavior during chat. With both of these, you would generate the code in your custom analytics tracking tool and paste it into here. You must remember to activate, or the code will not be tracked. Hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, just reach out to Juji.